Exactly. I was dodging raindrops on the way over here today.
Yeah, the rain that we have across the area this evening, at least, fairly light in nature, and it's starting to break apart as well. Now tonight, a better chance for some of those heavy downpours and maybe a couple of gusty thunderstorms. And then by Tuesday afternoon and evening, everyone is going to need to bring the umbrella along with them as we have widespread rain moving in ahead of another pretty big cool down. Notice the view over in Speedway. We are dry at this time, still a little breezy, but looking at mostly cloudy conditions. A very similar situation over in Greenwood, a lot more in the way of sunshine, but hey, at least we're dry, and temperature wise across parts of the area wasn't too bad. Greenwood, for example, currently sitting in the upper 60s. Live Guardian radar showing those light rain showers forming basically along I-70 points northward, and then a little bit of rain off to our southwest as well. We are going to see some additional activity across the area this evening and overnight tonight, with some gusty thunderstorms making their way into the region. Even the activity that we have already seen has produced some fairly strong wind gusts. In fact, the National Weather Service reporting a peak wind of 44 miles per hour in Indianapolis, 43 mile per hour wind gusts in Kokomo, and 38 miles per hour in Lafayette. Even our sustained winds are still fairly strong coming out of the south-southwest. That helped to move a warmer air mass into the region. Now, where we had some very stubborn cloud cover in place, our temperatures were a little bit cooler. Notice in Indy only making it up to 69 degrees. Points northward were a lot warmer, topping out in the mid-70s thus far. We were close to 80 degrees for a high over in Bloomington to kick off the work week. Of course, with those rain showers, we are trending a little bit cooler, 64 degrees in Richmond and 66 our current temperature in Indianapolis. A little bit more in the way of activity developing over towards St. Louis. That's going to clip the southwestern portion of the state. The rest of the activity that we have in the forecast tonight and as we move into our Tuesday afternoon, going to be an effect of this cold front that's very slowly going to make its way into the region. Again, here's a look at those scattered showers and thunderstorms making their way into northwestern sections of central Indiana, likely by the time we get a little bit closer to the 10 o'clock hour tonight. Those heavy downpours will continue overnight. Can't completely rule out the chance for an isolated severe storm. The main concern is going to be the strong winds and then maybe some hail right around an inch in diameter. We'll be able to dry things out for a brief period in time for our Tuesday morning commute, and then Tuesday afternoon that widespread rain makes its way into the region again. We're going to hold on to that rain Tuesday afternoon all the way through early Wednesday morning as well. Rainfall total is likely going to be pretty decent from now through Wednesday morning, picking up anywhere from 1, possibly a little bit higher than 1.6 inches of precipitation across portions of the area. And then, of course, we have that dramatic cool down that will follow. By the time we get into our Wednesday, our high temperatures will be at least 12 degrees below normal across the region, with readings not really expected to make it out of the 50s across the area by then. Even tonight, temperatures are going to be fairly mild, so enjoy it while you can. Normally at this time of the year, we're waking up to temperatures a little bit closer to 50 degrees. We're only cooling down to 57 across the area tonight, again with that additional wave of activity making its way into the region. Over the course of the next 7 days, we are still trending cooler. Our high of 62 degrees tomorrow likely going to occur a little bit closer to 9-10 o'clock in the morning. Then we're cooling throughout the day as that widespread rain moves in. Wednesday, Thursday, not expected to make it out of the upper 50s across the area. Gradual warming trend as we move into the weekend, but still overall, we are trending well below normal for this time of year.